If you want to make money online, you need traffic. No matter what you do, you need traffic. Now, in this video, I will share how we generated over 10,000 visitors in 28 days just by uploading file, and you can do it too. And in this video, I'm going to share step by step how to do it. And in case for any crazy reason you don't like this kind of file or you don't like the system, software in the description is my premium software. It's 100% free for you. You can grab it and you can let the software work for you. All problem solved. Okay, this video will be step by step. I will make it super simple, so if you don't watch this video, this same system or the same thing will become a burden or a big work for you, and probably this is why you are not taking action in case you are not doing it. So let us begin. Before we begin, I want to show you the power of traffic. This is my account stat on Warrior Plus year to date, so it's the results of 2021 on one account. For left column, you see the number of affiliates, and the last column, or I mean the rightmost column, is the total revenue generated by those affiliates, and the second from right is the commissions earned by the affiliate. Now it looks like a lot of money, and yes, it is a lot of money, but they came from only one thing, and that is the second column from left is the number of hops. These hops are the traffic. Our affiliates sent traffic to our offers. Those traffic made purchases and our affiliates made money. So literally our affiliates didn't do anything but sending traffic to our offer. Now you know the power of traffic. Over $500,000 generated through traffic. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and YouTube should show this video to other viewers. This way YouTube knows it's a good video, they show this to other viewers, we get views, and you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Now if you have any idea about paid traffic, then you know that for 10,000 visitors you might have to spend starting from $7,000 to $8,000 to way up to $20,000 depending on many different factors. But for us it was 100% free in terms of money out of pocket. We did not spend any money out of pocket for this traffic. All we did was uploading file. Alright, so before I show you what the website is, what type of file we uploaded, and what is the secret behind our result, let me tell you a story. A couple of years back, I was visiting Bangkok, Thailand in a marketers meetup, and I met one of my entrepreneur friends. He told me, Mosh, what are you doing? I said, okay, what am I doing? Did I do anything wrong? He said, no, look, nobody cared. And I said, okay, carry on, whatever you're saying. What am I doing? Nobody cares. Then he explained, look, you are not doing enough. You should do far more. Then he kept on giving me some good advice. I took notes and I loved them. Then next year we met again in Goa, India. I told them that I want to start a YouTube channel and I want to get traffic from there. I want to get subscribers from there. I want to make sales from YouTube. He asked me one single question: who stopped you? Well, that got me thinking, yeah, really, who stopped me? Literally, no one stopped me. Probably people who cared stopped me, but actually no one cares, right? That's what he told me last year. No one cares, which means no one really cares what I am doing. No one cares what result I am getting, whether I am good or I'm bad, I'm doing well or I'm not doing well. No one cares. So if no one cares and no one's stopping me from starting a YouTube channel, why am I not starting? So this year we thought, this is time. We're going to start our YouTube channel. So here is what we have done. We simply did one thing and one thing only. We did not go here and there. We did not look everywhere. We didn't try everything. We tried to do only one, and that's marketing. We simply wanted to build marketable content, and we did marketing and absolutely nothing else. Now, here is how we did marketing. When you go to YouTube, you see what? Thumbnail, images, right? And you see titles, video title. Now, based on the image and the title, you click on the video and you watch that video. Now, the next way to use YouTube is search. When you search, you see results. How do you decide which video to watch? You decide based on the image, the message on the image, and the message on the title. But image first, title second. So once I know, okay, so it's about Photoshop, learn learn in 13 minutes. Well, is this what I want now? Depends. So we decided our channel goal and we set our customer avatar, what the specific type of customer we are trying to attract. And then we looked at our competitors, what kind of results our competitors are getting. So let me share how to Photoshop. If I search how to Photoshop, then I want to see which video got highest views in lowest time. So example, 11 million views in 5 years. Another video, 598,000 views in 8 months. Another video, 8 million views in 1 year. Well, you know what? I want to look at this video, how the thumbnail was created, what the title say, what the tags say, what the description says, and how the content looks like. Now, this might be an exceptional case. 8 million views are lots of views. How about other videos? This video got 1.6 million views in 11 months. Another got 4.9 million views in 1 year. So, okay, how about glow effect, Photoshop tutorial glowing effect, and it's a 10-minute video. So why not I search for Photoshop glowing effect? And now I see a lot of videos about glowing effect. So I am squeezing down the niche and the demand of the audience. So based on the thumbnails, can you see this is very interesting? These top 2 videos or the 3 videos or even the 4th video, even the 5th video, basically, even the later, all these videos basically have the same thumbnail. They just use different subject, but they have the same thumbnail and they're all on top. So if I make a video like them about this topic, I will follow their content strategy and I will follow their thumbnail strategy. That's it. Now let's talk about the title. It's exactly the same. Look, this channel is Photoshop tutorials by Web Flippy and this channel is Adam Minatas. Did you see their titles are exact same and the results not same, but this one is the first one and this one is the second one in search ranking and this one is the third one. It has a little different title but pretty much same. If I make another video about glow effect, I will probably use something similar. That is it. So we look at the market and based on the market we make our content. Now the next thing we do, we look at contents that are share worthy. So if we ask someone to watch our video, that person should be excited to share the video with his friends or with his or her friends or family. After making the video, we share this video with our Facebook group and our email subscribers. But that's really a very limited number compared to the whole world and the whole traffic we are targeting. But from that little few views, YouTube knows that this video is good. So they keep pushing more and more views organically. And that is why our traffic, which are basically external traffic, is only 24.8%. Let's say 25%. The rest of the 75% traffic comes from YouTube. That's super exciting, right? So now again, if you hate videos and if you hate to be on the camera, link in the description will get you our software 100% free. This software will let you create videos without writing script, without speaking, and without even being in front of the camera. It can import elements, medias from any website, any URL, your hard drive, or even royalty-free site. It allows you to record your own voice, or it speaks for you if you want. It writes for you if you want. So literally everything is done for you inside the application, so you can make videos and get traffic like us and like millions of other YouTubers. So link in the description will get you our software. Go ahead, get it. Now the final thought. What we are doing here is trying to achieve 1% improvement every single day. Every day we go back and check our stats. We go to our content and we see which videos are getting more views organically, which videos stopped getting views. If they stopped, then we go back and compare why it stopped getting videos while other videos are getting views. Now, to get better, we want to achieve 1% improvement every single day. In order to get 1% improvement, we go back to our stats or content section and we check the stats of our videos and we try to understand which videos stopped getting views and why. Why one video stopped getting views while other videos are getting views. So we try to improve that. Let's say, give you an example. This video here got high retention, which means the content is good and people are loving the content, but it got low CTR, low click-through rate, which means either the image or the title or maybe both were not lucrative to the audience. So we changed the image and the title, and now because of high CTR, YouTube is pushing more views to this video and we are getting more views. Good. That is it. YouTube is free. My software is free. Videos are free. Make videos, upload them on YouTube and market. Research market, make marketable videos, make sure they are share worthy, and market your videos to your existing audience, be it your friends, your family. More people watch it, YouTube will send more and more views. Those more and more views will send more and more views. But all you have to do is to be like us. Yeah, we can say be like us. Don't stop. Keep building and keep publishing. That's it. I hope it was helpful. Did you like our video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you inspire us to pump out new content, help you with new ways to make money online. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, links in the description will take you to our other videos that will help you make money in many other different ways. But yes, in all our videos, we also give away our free softwares. You can get them all if you hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. And also, you will be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.